Hey, let me show you the best features of the Redmi Buds 6 Active. So first of all, we can connect this earbuds into the Xiaomi earbuds application. And what does it mean? That we can actually find here some features. So first of all, which is really useful, that we can find the gestures for the left and the right earbud. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different gestures. We can tap once to turn a previous or next song, and of course we can customize these gestures. We can turn them off or replace. We can also volume up and volume down. We can play and pause media, and we can even wake the voice assistant by pressing and holding left or the right earbud. Next, we can find the sound equalizer. We can boost volume, enhance voice, bass, treble, or get the standard mode. And the additional settings, we can rename these earphones if we want, but I believe that's not like some cool feature. We can also do this in the boot settings, but we can actually find our earphones with sound signaling. So you can find left, right, or the both, but you will have to be still connected with your phone. So it's useful when you lost them in your house, for example, or near you, because if you like lost them in your gym and then go to the home, then you will be disconnected, so you'll be not able to actually find them. And now we can also find some features that are not mentioned in the application, but you can find them on the box. So right here we can find actually the white noise cancellation for calls up to 4 meters per second, and also we get 2 microphones for the noise reduction for calls. And yeah, that will be all. And this is actually all the best features that you can find on this device right now. Please subscribe to get more information and tutorials about the Redmi Buds 6 Active.